This is behind the scenes a little bit. We do some eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari selling. So this is our little studio that we have set up for the stuff that we sell online. And let me turn on the lights. These are the lights that I'm reviewing today that we have. And it comes as a set of two. So you do get both of them in the set. And they just both really light up the space nicely. So it makes our pictures nice and bright and looking good for our online listings. Let me show you the remote. Our USB-A devices, and they don't come with a block. So the remote lets you change the brightness and the color temperature of the lights. So you can make it warmer or cooler depending on how you want your photos to look. And then again, like I said, you can change the brightness, tone it down, or make it brighter. And it's just, they're nice compact lights for the space. It is a small space where we take photos for eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, and it works really well for us. So I would recommend.